Welcome to the White House, where history gets a little wild with some crazy band pets. Let's meet them. First up are Jefferson's bear cubs. Adorable? Yes. Safe? Definitely not. They were banned in 1807. Then we have Van Buren's tiger cubs. Cute, but causing a growl. Banned due to the emoluments clause. Lincoln's elephants were a noisy bunch. Imagine those in the Oval Office before they got banned. Carter's elephant made a grand exit to the National Zoo. Elephants belong there, not here. FDR's Major was the king of barking, too wild for the White House. That dog had to go. Truman had to return his puppy. Looks like it was a little too much to handle. Coolidge's mockingbird was a simple songbird, but illegal in D.C. Back it went. Hoover's alligators thought they were on vacation. The Rose Garden was a no-go zone. Reagan's pup was the life of the party, until it was sent off to a ranch. JFK's ducks were cute, but needed to waddle their way to Rock Creek Park. Biden's major and commander were a handful. Some pets just can't be presidential. Carter had to return her spirited border collie. It just wasn't a good fit. From bears to pups, these pets kept the White House crazy. What do you think? Should presidents have exotic pets? Comment below and don't forget to subscribe.